Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel. It's Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So for this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of September. This is for my dear Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest you generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. Meron akong link there that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Virgo as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. So, based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, let's proceed muna in getting to know your angel number. Might be this had been the angel number that you had been seeing recently. So angel, spirit, universe, ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Virgo, please. So we have 95551. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 9551. Might be there is a certain message for you, my dear Virgo, that needs your attention with this particular angel number 9551. You might be seeing a lot of 99, 999, 55, 555, 11, 111, 1111, and I'm seeing 1212, 1212, 22, and 222 as a confirmation of this particular video or reading. So might be you had been seeing a lot of those certain angel number. Remember, the way that you are seeing angel number, it's a reminder to keep a positive mindset and also another confirmation that you are on the right path. So kung ano man yung naging decision and actions mo on that particular situation, when you see a particular angel number, that is a confirmation coming from the universe. So actually, I already pick yung cards mo, my dear Virgo, and the rest of the other zodiac signs starting from this particular video. So your overall energy for the month of September, my dear Virgo, is focused on the Pisces energy. So this energy is wistful, endlessly loving, compassionate, and forgiving. It confuses and softens resolve. So for this particular month, my dear Virgo, forgiveness will be the theme of your month. So it's time for you to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. But if forgiveness cannot be given to the people around you, yung mga nakapanakit sa'yo, and the pain that you had experienced from that certain situation, the only thing that you can do from it is to accept that you cannot change it. Hindi mo na pwedeng baguhin kung ano man yung nangyari, kung ano man yung ginawa sa'yo ng tao na yun, whatever they done to you, you cannot erase it, you cannot undo it. The only thing that you can do from it is take the insight, take the learning, and apply the necessary changes in the now so that it will not be affecting the possible future. This is what we usually tell na your past don't determine your future. Kung ano man yung nangyari in the past is already done, tapos na yun. The only thing that you can do from it, learn from it, take the insight, and apply the necessary changes in the now. And with the Pisces energy, this is more on dreamy energy. So something about your dream or something that you had been dreaming about will be the focus of this particular month. And also, it's time for you to pay attention in your dreams. Probably you are dreaming about certain things very vividly, yung mga nakikita mo sa dreams mo. And when you see those certain things, people, situation, might be meron silang mga symbolic meaning. Like for example, for me, earlier when I took a nap, I dreamt about turtles. So when I googled the spiritual meaning of turtle, so turtle is luck, but also it has to be more on the word of perseverance and patience. So alam naman natin with the traits of the turtle, it's slow and steady siya, wins the race. So it's time for you to be patient, but for some of you might be that is relevant. Maaaring kailangan nyo yung message na yun. The turtle spiritual meaning is telling us to be patient and trust the process. So you might not see things clearly as of the moment when it comes to your career, your finances, your love life, or relationships in general, but universe is reminding you, and also your guides with this certain reading is reminding you to be patient and trust the process. So currently, with the sun, you are finding that sense of happiness and fulfillment. But for some of you, you are putting your happiness in that certain outcome. So as I've said earlier, so maaring for some of you, the reason why you had been having vivid dreams, very symbolic dreams, kasi it's a certain reminder of being patient and trusting the process. Kasi most of us, or most of you, my dear soul tribe, you must have been too fixated to the idea of the outcome that you are putting your happiness in that certain relationship, situation, opportunity, or certain event that is going to take place. Remember, happiness is only a state of mind. So if you're going to put your happiness, fulfillment, satisfaction on the external relationship, money, fame, possession, kumbaga abundance, pag nilagay mo dun yung happiness mo, if those certain things didn't manifest into your reality, you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So it's time for you to be happy now, be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, and what you currently have, and what you will be having in your life, that money, that relationship, that position, that promotion, it's only an additional. So there would be better days on the horizon. As I said earlier, with the overall energy, you might not see things clearly as of the moment, but know that there would be better days on the horizon. So what you needed to do, my dear Virgo, it's time for you to be grateful, thankful, contented of the now. Contented of what you can offer and what you currently have. Learn to appreciate your progress, your growth throughout the certain months. So makikita mo naman yung difference mo. You were not the same person as you were yesterday. So this is what is being reminded of you, my dear Virgo, that it's time for you to strive to be better than you were before. So it's you versus you. So the obstacle that you're needing to overcome, my dear Virgo, is keeping a positive mindset with the Magician. So manifesting things, kasi we are the creator of our reality. So it's time for you to visualize, imagine, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari with your life, my dear Virgo? What are the certain things that you wanted to manifest into your reality? So it's like buying a product, my dear Virgo. You need to be specific on what is the certain goal or certain things that you wanted to manifest, like buying a certain t-shirt. You need to be specific with the size, with the color, with the design. So it's time for you to set the intentions and the goals on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. You had to be clear on that. So kumbaga, para maging smooth yung flow ng path mo, you need to be clear on where you are going. It's like you are a car, a vehicle traveling without the direction if you're not going to be clear on your intentions and your goals that you wanted to achieve. So this is the time for you to try to step back and reassess the situation and visualize what are the certain things that you wanted to manifest into your reality. So it's time for you to come to realization, the action that is needed from you, my dear Virgo. It's time for you to come to realization that everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So kung ano man yung na-experience mo with your career, with your finances, with your love life, with your relationships in general, that breakup, that separation, that stagnancy, that delay when it comes to your sales, slowdown of your certain clients, so yung income na dumadating, hindi ganun kalaki, those certain things needed to happen for you to learn a lesson that is provided by those certain circumstances. So let's see what is the current energy of your career, finances, your business life. What is the current energy for my dear Virgo? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the current energy of the career of my dear Virgo. So, might be you are, kumbaga, in a certain toxic cycle. You are not letting it go pa. Kaya naka-reverse itong death in reverse kasi might be you are having a hard time of letting go of that certain attachment, probably with the happiness, with the certain outcome. So it's time for you to release and let go of wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. Why is everything happening? Why is those certain obstacles, challenges took place? And also what had been the pattern that you had been repetitively doing? Kasi if this is in upright, this is telling you to release and let go. Kaya lang, naka-reverse, meaning to say, you are not letting go of wanting to know the when and the how. You are attached to the particular idea of the outcome. So, yung happiness mo is relying on the outcome, on what will be the relationship or the money that you will be getting. So, the happiness that you are getting from those certain factors is only an additional in your life. So, this is the time for you to release and let go of wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. What is the energy that you will be attracting with your career, your finances, your business life, your work life? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be... Okay. So, 7 of Cups, there would be a lot of opportunities on the horizon for you. So, another thing with this, be open and ready for the different possibilities. Don't get too attached to this idea of the outcome. So, maging open ka, maging ready ka to whatever God, the universe, will be providing to you. Kasi the more that you are getting too fixated with a particular outcome na kailangan ganito yung mangyari, it needed to happen the way that I am imagining it, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So, it's time for you to be open, ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. Just experience the situation, wag mong tambayan. Okay? So, that is a certain message for someone. So, when it comes to your relationship, regardless if you're single, in a certain connection, twin flame, soulmate, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, so, it doesn't matter kung nasa connection ka or wala. Kasi when we channel on the readings is based on energy. So, the first relationship that you needed to establish is the relationship with yourself. So, kung ano man yung klase ng relationship that you have with yourself is also how you are going to be experiencing it from the outside. So, what is your current energy when it comes to your relationship, your love life, my dear Virgo? Angels. Currently, your judgment is a little bit clouded. So, Pisces energy din. Ano to? Pisces energy din ba to? Cancer pala, sorry. So, might be you are dealing with a Cancer. So, with the moon card, so something about a mother wound. So, kasi with the moon card, it's also representing our mother. The mother figure that we have in our life. A female figure. So, might be your judgment is clouded regarding a certain situation. You cannot see through things as of the moment. So, kumbaga, for some of you, my dear Virgo, you're wanting to know the when and the how. When will this reconciliation happen? When will the one come? When will that certain communication come from my partner? When will they message me? So, for others of you, yun yung energy. So, you cannot see through things as of the moment. You cannot see through the lies and the illusions kasi nga, you are blinded by the situation. So, probably, you are, kumaga parang, you are thinking that you are victim. Bakit ganito? Why ganito? Why ganyan? So, take this time to come to realization that everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, if you are in little to no contact at all with your person, for those who are in a certain connection, nagkaroon ng breakup, separation, turmoil, challenges, setback, trials, when it comes to your relationship, it regardless kung significant partner yan, with friends, family, nagkaroon ng conflict. So, the reason why those certain things needed to happen is for you to learn a lesson that is provided by those certain experiences or certain scenarios. So, what will be the outcome of your relationship, my dear Virgo? What will be the outcome? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the outcome? So, the outcome is judgment. You had to make a choice. So, you need to learn the lesson. Kasi we have our own free will, my dear Virgo. So, nasa iyo, if you're going to choose to get stuck in that certain mindset of wanting to know the when and the how. So, you'll be stuck in a certain loop or cycle. So, kumbaga parang you're just going to sit there and wait for things to happen. So, you have your own free will to make things happen. What do we mean by that? Life goes on. Huwag mong hayaang huminto yung buhay mo because that certain outcome that you are wanting to manifest is not happening in your reality. So, huwag mong hayaang huminto yung mundo mo. Don't let your world stop because that certain person didn't choose you, that certain relationship didn't come to fruition, that certain person didn't confess, that certain person didn't reconcile with you, or you didn't receive the idea of the outcome that you were manifesting. So life goes on. So you have your own free will on your decisions and your action. Kaya we have here the judgment. Use your judgment. So that is the reason why we are different from animals. So bakit ko nabigay yung example animals? Kasi we have this certain discernment that we are calling. So it's time for you to use your discernment, use your judgment when it comes to your certain relationship. Because you have your own free will on your decisions and your actions. So let's see what will be the oracle guidance that is provided for you for your situation, my dear Virgo. It regardless if this is for your relationship, your career, finances, and your love life. What is the oracle guidance? So the oracle guidance, we have here divine order. As I've said, so everything needs to happen the way that it happened. You needed to experience those certain situation for you to learn a lesson. So we have here Lady Portia, divine order. Do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. So it's time for you to make a choice. It's time for you to do what it feels right. So piliin mo yung desisyon na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng peace of mind. So, if that certain decision is only creating anxieties and sleepless nights with you, so it's time for you to choose a better option. So, choose yourself first. Choose a certain decision that would bring you peace of mind. Okay? So, let's see another one. Another one, oracle guidance for my dear Virgo. Next, we have here the Shekinah, sacred self. Unleash your spirit, express your gift, dance the sacred rhythm of life. So it's time for you to create that sacred space for yourself. So it's time for you to honor yourself, honor your
battery
feelings.
level 90%.
Battery level. No, it is a confirmation na kailangan mo ng i-prioritize sa sarili mo. It's a certain reminder, that certain thing that you heard. So, it's reminding you that it's time for you to focus on you, eyes on you. Kasi you had been putting everyone else above you other than yourself. So, remember how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So, let's see what is the messages from your spirit guides. So we have here Pueo, Hawaiian Owl. Your ancestral spirit guides are offering you guidance. So pay close attention to signs and omens from them. As I've said, dreams. Might be you have been having vivid dreams recently, and those certain dreams has certain meaning. And as a reminder that it's time for you to choose the decision that would be bringing you peace, harmony, balance, and also trying to remind you that you are on the right path. So, kung ano man yung mga decisions and actions that you had been making, if you had been seeing a lot of angel numbers, repeating numbers, animals, or symbolic things, such as in your dreams, those are confirmation that you are divinely guided on whatever your actions or decisions are kumaga, you are making. Okay, last one, last message. So, we have here the polar bear. So, stand up for yourself and speak your truths respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to the outcome. So, it's time for you to release, let go of wanting to know the when and the how. Focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lessons that you needed to learn? Why that certain relationship needed to separate? So, it's time for you to see beyond the illusion with the moon card here. Kasi nga, you are stuck in the illusions of that outcome. So, it's time for you to step back so that you will be able to reassess the situation. So, let's see. Angel messages. Wow, 222. So, we have here, trust that the seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with words, feelings, and actions. I am balanced. So again, it's time for you to be mindful what you're thinking, what you're imagining, what you're visualizing, what you're speaking, because that creates your reality. So kung ano man yung nangyayari on your surrounding, that is a reflection of what is going into your mind. So if you're experiencing a lot of negativity, a lot of obstacles and challenges, might be those are the certain things that you had been focusing on. My dear Virgo, nagpo-focus ka sa negativity, fear, doubts, anxiety, that will be the energy that you are attracting. So, what is your affirmation? So, your affirmation, my dear Virgo, I am worthy of connections that are loving, genuine, and nourishing. So, you are worthy of that, ng mga connections that is secure and stable. So, for you to be able to, attract that kind of connection, you had to establish that kind of connection with yourself. Treat yourself with kindness, love, and compassion. Kasi how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So this is what I got for you, my dear Virgo. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do give me a comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to have a reading with me, to avail my services, kindly check on the description and dun yung details on how to avail my services, tarot reading and oracle card reading, and my coaching program, Heartful Connection. Or kindly go sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!